today. 1, 2, 3. Ryan in the house.
Hello.
Let's have a quick look up here. We've got a later start today because we've got a friend over, so it's 8:45. Mason on site. 2 on site, 3 on site, 4 on site. Tyson in the house. Lifting blocks. Whoa, we got brick force.
Yeah.
We got brick force.
Yeah, of course.
We need celebration. It's called brick force, yeah.
That's what it says.
I know, it's cheap as chips as well.
Put it over there.
So we have brick force. So technically that is what we're going to put down on top of the blocks. They've already been putting it down. They'll mortar this. Morning, Wayne. Morning, Amory. How are you? Need to talk to you in a minute. You've got a window frame blocked up and you've got a window frame where there isn't one over there. On the back where the kitchen is, look, you've got a window.
I tell him to wait until you come and make decisions without he made the decisions himself.
Remember that was a kitchen, and then over there in the bathroom, there's meant to be a window in the bathroom.
Yeah, okay.
And there's no window, so we're going to have to bang that through. Okay, obviously I showed it last night. Anyway, the columns are coming up. These are going to be the big ones. The rebar boys need to put some rebar in the front ones today. They're going to be poured. That's going to be one massive 16-inch solid wall going all the way up. Obviously the 12-inch. I'm pretty sure those pipes that you can see in the background over there are going to be for the light for the swimming pool and stuff like that for outside. This obviously is where the doors are going to begin. Each one of the doors 8 foot wide, 4 sets going all the way along, all bifolds. This is one room we're standing in now, so we're at the centre. Those doors open that way, those doors open that way, and the same in that room. We do have a slight issue with the door frame here in as much as those doors open this way. So when they're open, this door opening is going to be very, very tight to clear, which I don't think it will. These doors actually bifold in, not bifold out. Something in my insanity made me do them in, not out. But anyway, that's something we're going to have to sort. What else? So today, the main goal, as far as I'm aware, is to get as many blocks at full course that aren't at full course and take anything that is at full course up as high as we physically can, as quick as we can. So that's the main aim at this present time. Coming out to actually give us a price to install the doors. So all of these big sliding doors that are here, there's going to be, obviously, as you know, there's going to be a 30 foot set here. There's going to be a 30 foot set here. And then obviously we've got the 4 sets of bifolds over there, and we've also got the windows over the road. They're the only ones we've actually got in at the moment. Then we need to get these ones sized up, supplied and fitted as well. So hopefully they're going to give us a price at some stage. Morning, Nancy, how are you? Brookfoot. Oh, plumber. Yeah, thanks for that, mate. Grab that now. Thanks, mate. Cheers. Yeah, other than that, that is, yeah, so they're going to come out and give us a price to install the windows and supply and fit the ones that we haven't got so far. What else have we got going on today? Scaffolding turning up at some stage, because obviously you can see at the moment they're in the basement, which is a bit different. But obviously as and when we start getting to 6-7 feet, then we're going to need scaffolding anyway. Then when we get to 8 foot, then there's a double 24-inch beam that's going to go, a ring beam that's going to go all the way around the whole house and tie the thing together. And then there'll be about another 4 foot, so probably about another 6 courses that will go above that. So I think it's about 17 courses in total. Obviously the beams have been cracked. Talked about that anyway. That one's near undone now. I mean, it could do with, it's a difficult one. It could do really going over a little bit more, but anyway, we need to keep on cranking it so we don't being weak. So we've got to make sure that the front sides, this bit here, obviously goes over a bit further so we can actually get that boxed in properly. But the main thing is to ensure we got a good 2 inches of coverage minimum. It should be 3, but we need at least 2 inches of coverage on that side. Obviously the boys are putting down the boarding so we don't have to scratch the floor, because this is meant to be our lovely polished floor. We should also at some stage today, which I will ask the guy to do, is just to get these holes boxed up just to stop the water going in. So we've got the air conditioning boxes everywhere, so we'll get that done. And Tyson the man, he has actually said he's going to get the formwork that I took off the other day put away for me. He's been threatening, has promised me today he's going to get that done, so fingers crossed that will be done. What else? I'll have a meeting with Wayne now, find out where he is, and then it's hopefully full steam ahead for the day. 2:10. Have a quick look what's going on today. The sand has just turned up, blocks just turned up. Obviously we had brick force this morning, so have a quick look. Brick force has been laid. Tyson!
Yeah? A little bit.
Column scratched. Wall's going up higher. So they're going to be pouring the actual boards themselves. So I think they decided to go up higher in the meantime. So scaffolding is going to be needed soon. Armory doing well, fair play to him. The annex going up as well. Oh no! Floor to ceiling wall. Okay, so they've patched up the actual window on the other side. The other window is still not down to ground level, so we need to get that edited. Or do we? Might be an idea. Got the pipe built into that wall itself. Door frame, that's got to be chiselled out as well, so we need to actually just cut that out. The formwork still laying in the water. Window, another window on the far side. They're going to come down here as well, but unfortunately, because again bad measuring, they're going to have to go over the manhole cover. So that 8-inch will come all the way down here and go straight over the top. So we're going to have to go over, unfortunately, and hope that the actual manhole can be taken out from the back. So again, measurement not done well, unfortunately. Column still as it was when we first saw it earlier. So hopefully they'll finish that off. And height, obviously we need the height to be 8 foot, and then the ring beam starts going in. So the rebar boys are over there as well. Their job is to try and extend the rebar before the blocks go any higher, so that when the concrete's poured, you too, buddy. So yeah, at the moment it's just literally trying to get every area we physically can that's currently at 4 to at least 7. But obviously pouring is harder when you're already at 7 courses, because the bucket has got to be lifted up that high. So we need to get this corner to 4. We need to pour all of these. We need to take the rebar up higher, which is already done on this side, as he needs on this side. Yeah, it's coming along. If we had more masons, it'd be going up a little bit faster, but the fact of the matter is it's going up, so that's the main thing. Carpenter, need a carpenter on site, need to be boxing these columns, all of them, all those columns over there, this column here, they can be pouring those. And the sooner we get them into concrete, the better, because obviously they stop rusting. So ideally we need to try and get that sooner rather than later. There is a column on this little corner here which might need to be done, so they might have to pour that as concrete, but they might even be able to slide a block over it. But I would say they'll probably concrete that corner. And here's the first beam that's being made that will probably go along the 8 foot over there. So just need to talk to Wayne about where the window's going to be, because that was meant to be a floor to ceiling window over there, which they forgot about. So we probably need to take that down to floor level. But other than that, that looks okay. Anthony and his team are obviously going up higher there, which is good. So that's all good. This one's a little bit more progress, nice and straight. Need to get the rebar down the front side, obviously. Need to get that poured as well. That's going to have to be a solid column. This front 12-inch, it's got to be poured. And this back 16-inch has got to be poured as well. And as I said before, this one has got a slight recess on the side of it to try and make the building look separate rather than one big box. They look like a couple of big boxes. But that one over there is flush. So yeah, that's where we are so far. So see how the remainder of the afternoon goes. Yeah, still more to do, but going in the right direction.